बड़ी खबर आ रही है। विदेशी किराना का कारोबार करने वाली कंपनी वॉलमार्ट ने भारत में कारोबार करने के लिए अमेरिका में लॉबिंग पर खर्च किए हैं करोड़ों रुपए। ये जानकारी वॉलमार्ट ने ही अमेरिका की संसद में दी है। अमेरिका में कंपनियां लॉबिंग कर सकती है, लेकिन उन्हें वहां की संसद में इसकी जानकारी देनी होती है। इस बात को लेकर विपक्ष ने संसद में सरकार से जवाब मांगा है। वॉलमार्ट लॉबिंग के नाम पर घूस दी है, बीजेपी ने आरोप लगाया है और अब राज्यसभा में सरकार से जवाब मांगा है। यह हंगामा इस वक्त देख रहे हैं आप राज्यसभा की तस्वीरें, जहां पर वॉलमार्ट के घूस देने के मसले पर बीजेपी ने सवाल खड़े किए और सरकार से जवाब मांगा है।
आप लोग बैठिए, आप लोग बैठिए, आप लोग बैठिए, आप लोग पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर, यस, would you like to say something? Parliamentary Affairs Minister, yes, बैठिए। No, yes, you can associate. I already told. No, only associate, not saying it. You only that I allowed you. You did it.
Just one sentence.
No, associate. That's all.
Associating. I urge the government.
No, please.
Independent inquiry, sir. I urge the government.
No, I call the minister.
Sir, I urge the government and independent inquiry on this. That is my right, sir.
No, I call the. No. You cannot ask that. No, it cannot be. Pradhan Mantri cannot come for everything. No, sit down. It is not possible. It is not possible. You sit down. Hussain, you requested me, I allowed him. Now you are making it difficult for me. You say what you want. What is this?
पार्टनर एफडीआई के बारे में इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए।
Sir.
See, if you make it like this, if all of you stand up and make statements, what do? I am a human being.
That is my right.
I have only 2 years.
One second.
Raja, even if it is associate, is it Rajiv is standing there?
My name is there. That is my right.
Rajiv is standing there. Let him associate.
Sir,
You are not given notice.
Mr. Achudan, one of our members,
that is my right,
has
sir.
written a letter to the Prime Minister.
Yes, but this is not the time.
Now let the time
No.
Sir.
Yes, Raja, Bhaitiye.
Sir.
You say in one sentence you associate.
Sir.
After that, the minister will react.
Sir, there.
One sentence
One
only.
sentence, sir. There were some reports that before amending FEMA, the Walmart are invested money in India. It's a bribery case, sir. This is very serious issue.
And you associate. Okay, that's enough.
The government
Yes.
majority.
Mr. Shukla, nothing more.
I demand the
Mr.
Prime
Shukla,
Minister should come down.
if you want to listen to Shukla, you sit down. If you want to listen to minister, you take your seat. Not going on record. No. There is no rule for that. You are not given notice. No. 0 hour, you have not given notice. I cannot allow. No. P. Rajiv, you have given notice. That's why I allow. It's a violation of rule. Don't violate rule. Mr. Rajiv Shukla, you don't want to listen to the minister? Mr. Roy, you don't want to listen to the minister? Tiwari ji, no, Prime Minister, I cannot call the Prime Minister. Don't expect that. Don't expect that the Prime Minister should come for everything. No. You take, no. No. You take a seat down. Mr. Shukla. No, please, sit down. What is this? You are on,
Sir, I have heard
you are on member right, and you don't want to listen. Sit down. You are on member right. Arey, kya hai? You said you are my friend. Take a seat. No.
Sir,
It's unclear. You are on member right, and the minister want to reply. You don't allow. You don't want to listen to the minister. Bhaitiye. You are my friend, you told me. Bhaitiye. ठीक है, मंत्री, let us hear the minister. क्या मंत्री बोलते हैं? ये लिसन कीजिए, कुछ होगा उसमें। सुनिए, आप लोग सुनिए मंत्री को, उसके बाद हम करेंगे। बोलिए।
I will bring it to the notice of the concerned minister and
Yeah, that's all.
government will look into it.
concerned. He responded to the question. What was the amount in this house? Because sir, I will have to adjourn. I will be defeated. If you behave this way, I will be forced to adjourn the house. I will be forced to adjourn the house. Now, house is adjourned for 10 minutes. For 10 minutes.
राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही आप देख रहे थे, हंगामा हुआ और संबंधित मंत्री जवाब देंगे ये कहा है, लेकिन इस बीच हंगामे के चलते राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही 10 मिनट के लिए स्थगित कर दी गई है। वॉलमार्ट की लॉबिंग के मुद्दे पर यह हंगामा हुआ है और इसी हंगामे के चलते सरकार से जवाब मांगा है। सरकार की ओर से कहा है कि संबंधित मंत्री इस पर जवाब देंगे, लेकिन हंगामा विपक्ष का काफी था, उसके चलते सभापति ने 10 मिनट के लिए राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही को स्थगित किया है। यानी कि अब लगभग 12:30 बजे दोबारा राज्यसभा की कार्यवाही शुरू होगी, लेकिन क्या इस मसले को लेकर यह बवाल जारी रहेगा?